How do I clean my shark vacuum canister? Cleaning your shark vacuum canister is a simple process, but it's also important to make sure you're doing it correctly. The first step of the cleaning process is emptying out all the dirt and debris from inside the vacuum cleaner. Simply remove both filters, then clean them with warm water and soap or dishwasher detergent. Next, use a cloth to wipe down any surfaces that may have come into contact with dirt or dust during vacuuming, before drying off thoroughly with another cloth. Finally, replace all filters back into the unit and snap on the lid securely, so no dust can escape when in storage or being transported for future use. Fill a sink with hot water and dish soap, place the canister on top of the sink, then submerge it in the water, let it soak for 10 minutes to loosen any stuck on dirt or hair, gently scrub with a toothbrush or sponge until all of the dirt is removed. Optional, rinse off your vacuum cleaner before placing it back in its case, as this will prevent mold from forming inside. Optional, use white vinegar instead of dish soap to clean your vacuum's filter. Pour some into a small bowl and place the filter face down onto it. Let sit for 15 minutes before rinsing and drying thoroughly with paper towels. They like to eat all the dust in the ocean. To clean your shark, simply put it in water and run it for a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.